This video walks you through how to share a Wix website with group members. Start by signing in to your Wix account. Once you are in, open the website you want to share with your group members. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct website before continuing, since the permissions you set will apply only to the site you open here. With the site open, go to the site dashboard. This is where Wix keeps the main settings and management tools for that website. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the dashboard is fully visible so the settings options appear as expected. From the dashboard, open the Settings area. Inside Settings, look for Roles and Permissions. In some Wix accounts, this section may appear as Roles and Collaborators instead. The name can vary depending on the version of Wix you are using, but it leads to the same place for managing access to the site. Once you are in that section, click Invite People or Invite Collaborators. This opens the invitation window where you can add the group members who need access. If you're inviting several people, you can add them from the same invitation flow instead of leaving and repeating the process one person at a time. Next, enter the email addresses for the group members you want to invite. Use the email address each person will use to access Wix. Take a moment to check for typing errors before moving on, because the invitation will be sent to the addresses entered here. After adding the email addresses, assign a role to each person. Wix provides different roles depending on the level of access you want each group member to have. You might choose Website Manager, Admin, Back Office Manager, or another role listed in your account. Select the role that matches what each person should be able to view or manage on the site. If different members need different levels of access, set each role carefully before you send the invitation. When the email addresses and roles are in place, click Send Invite. Wix will send an invitation email to each group member you added. At this point, the invitations are sent, but access is not active until each person accepts. The final part happens on the group member side. Ask each person to open the invitation email from Wix and accept the invitation. Once they do that, Wix will add them to the website with the role you assigned. If someone says they cannot access the site, confirm that they opened the correct email and completed the acceptance step. Your Wix website has now been shared with your group members through role-based invitations.